I'm calling in response to the ad you placed in the Arizona Republic for correctional officers.
If you are 21 years of age, have a high school diploma or GED, a valid driver's license and proof of legal residency, and no felony convictions, testing is the first step to begin the process to become an Arizona Correctional Officer.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Sergeant Nash. I'd like to welcome you to the Arizona.
Both written and oral tests will assess your general knowledge, human relations, reading comprehension, observation, communication skills, and your ability to follow directions. Once you pass these tests, you'll be given a conditional job offer. The conditions of this offer depend on your successfully completing the remainder of the hiring process. First in the remainder of the hiring process is a background check. The check requires you to complete a questionnaire that covers your personal, employment, criminal, and driving history. In addition to the questionnaire, you will need to submit proof of age, U.S. residency, high school diploma or equivalency, valid driver's license, and if applicable, your military DD-214. One of the most important things to remember when filling out the background paperwork is to be thorough and honest. The information you provide in the questionnaire will be reviewed by a backgrounds investigator as part of the process.
We're going to have you go and see the doctor now. Okay, we're going to go right here in exam room 3, okay.
The next step in the process is to pass a complete medical exam provided by one of our contract physicians. The exam covers areas like hearing, vision, lab work, your medical history, and any area of concern determined by the physician.
Okay, follow my fingers with your eyes.
How good of shape do I have to be in? That's the most often asked question in the next step, the physical fitness test. You will be asked to meet minimum levels of fitness in aerobic capacity, muscular strength, endurance, and flexibility.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, very good. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good. 6, back straight, very good, all the way up.
Each test is given to measure your ability to perform an essential job function required of a correctional officer. It's a good idea to start getting or keeping in shape at the start of the hiring process.
Up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up.
The purpose of the psychological test is to determine if you fit the profile of a successful correctional officer. All tests will be evaluated by a psychologist. If there are any discrepancies in the testing process, you will be retested at the psychologist's office. The results of the test don't necessarily indicate a psychological problem. It's important to remember to answer the questions honestly without reading into or analyzing each question. Answer the questions in your own way, not the way you think the department wants you to answer them. The final step in the hiring process is to successfully complete a drug screening. On your day of testing, you will sign a consent form for the drug screening. Do not report for drug screening until you are contacted by the employment unit. You will be given 48 hours to complete your urine specimen test. Clinics are available statewide.